Hello everyone. Welcome to Food Tech Network. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then subscribe it now and don't forget to click on the bell icon. For regular updates, visit our website www.foodtechnetwork.in and join our groups. We share jobs, webinars, quizzes, trainings, news on daily basis. We never charge any consultancy fee for jobs. Okay, so today we will be solving the question paper of Food Safety Officer exam Rajasthan 2019. You can read the instructions later on. Let us start with the first question. Example of gel is option number 1 smoke, option number 2 fog, option number 3 milk and option number 4 butter. So the correct answer to this is option number 4, that is butter. Okay, so a gel is a semi-solid that can have properties ranging from soft and weak to tough and hard. Okay, so why butter is considered as gel is like one liquid contains a dispersion of other liquid inside an emulsion. Okay, so it's obvious then that butter is a gel, not an emulsion. Butter is an emulsion of water and oil. Okay, so in the fat content is so high that it forms a continuous process from which droplet of water are distributed. Next question. Which of the following pairs is mismatched? First, fimbriae, attachment to surfaces. Second, pili, reproduction. Third, glycocalyx, protection of phagocytes. Fourth, plasma membrane, single layered. So this pair means fourth pair is mismatch. Okay, so because plasma membrane is a double layer structure. Okay, so according to the accepted current theory known as fluid mosaic model, the plasma membrane is composed of a double layer, bilayer of lipids. Okay, it is composed of a double layer. Okay, oily substances found in all cells. So phospholipids are the most abundant type of lipid found in membrane. Phospholipids are made up of two layers, the outer one and the inner one. The inside layer is made up of hydrophobic fatty acid tails, while the outside layer is made up of hydrophilic polar heads that are pointed towards the water. Next question. What is the limiting value of water activity for the growth of any microorganism? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct answer to this is option 4. AW greater than 0.91. 0.91 greater. Next question. Aflatoxin is produced by option number 1, Aspergillus species. Option number 2, Salmonella species. Option number 3, Fusarium species. And option number 4, Streptococcus species. So the correct answer to this is A. That is, aflatoxins are produced by Aspergillus species. Aflatoxins are a family of toxins produced by certain fungi that are found on agricultural crops such as maize, corn, peanut, cottonseed and tree nut. The major fungi that produce aflatoxin are Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus, which are abundant in warm and humid region of the world. Next question. Which of the following bacteria produce alpha-toxin? Option number 1, Salmonella typhi. Option number 2, Listeria monocytogenes. Option number 3, Clostridium perfringens. And option number 4, Toxicoplasma gondii. Okay, so the correct answer to this is third. Clostridium perfringens. Okay, so Clostridium perfringens alpha toxin is a toxin produced by the bacteria Clostridium perfringens and is responsible for gas gangrene and myonecrosis. Okay, it is responsible for gas gangrene and myonecrosis. Okay. So in infected tissue, the toxin is also possesses hemolytic activity. Next question. The methods for estimation of nitrogen are option number 1, Dumas and Carius method. Option number 2, Kazidel and Carius method. Option number 3, Dumas and Kazidel method. And option number 4, Carius method. Okay, so the correct answer to this is third. Both Dumas and Kazidel method is responsible for estimation of nitrogen. Okay, so the Kazidel method is used to determine the nitrogen content in organic and inorganic samples. For longer than 100 years, the Kazidel method has been used for the determination of nitrogen in a wide range of samples. Next, the Dumas method. The analysis of total nitrogen in an organic matrix can be carried out using Dumas method. This involves the total combustion of the matrix under the oxygen. The gases produced are reduced by copper and then are dried. Okay, so while the CO2 is trapped and the nitrogen is then quantified using a universal detector. Next question. Sauerkraut is generally prepared from option number 1, tomato, 2, pumpkin, 3, cauliflower, and 4th, cabbage. So the correct answer is 4th, that is cabbage. Okay, so sauerkraut is a type of fermented cabbage that has a distinct sour taste. So the fermentation process also adds digestive enzymes which make eating sauerkraut a great way to increase the intake of digestive enzymes. Next, the microorganism dash is responsible for the formation of beer and wine and its fermented end product is. Okay, so the correct answer is Saccharomyces cerevisiae and ethanol. Okay, so the microorganism is Saccharomyces cerevisiae is responsible for the formation of beer and wine and its fermented end product is ethanol. Which of the following is fermented by Cozy? Okay, so the options are barley, millet, soybean or zea maize. Okay, so the correct answer is soybean. Soybean is being fermented by Cozy. Next, the number of GTP, guanosine triphosphate, formed after complete aerobic oxidation of one molecule of glucose are 2, 36, 30 or 16. So the number of guanosine triphosphate formed is 2. 2 guanosine triphosphate are being formed after the complete aerobic oxidation of one molecule of glucose. Next question. Agaricus bisporus is a foodstuff, useful in beer making, a pathogenic bacteria or a human parasite. So the correct answer to this is a foodstuff. Okay, so Agaricus bisporus is an edible basidomycete mushroom native to grasslands in Europe and North America. It has two color states while immature, that is white and brown. Next, fatty acids are oxidized by option number 1, alpha and beta oxidation, option number 2, delta oxidation, option number 3, sigma oxidation, and option number 4, gamma oxidation. So the correct answer to this is first, that is alpha and beta oxidation. Beta oxidation is a major mechanism which occurs in the mitochondria matrix. Okay, so 2 carbon units are released as acetyl coenzyme per cycle. Okay, in alpha oxidation, it is predominantly takes place in brain and liver. 1 carbon is lost in the form of CO2 per cycle. Okay. Next, captafol is an. Okay, is a option number 1, algicide, fungicide, protein or food color. So the correct answer to this is captafol is a fungicide. Okay, so Captafol is a fungicide. It is used to control almost all fungal diseases of plants except powdery mildews. It is believed to be a human carcinogen, and production for use as a fungicide in United States stopped in 1987. Which of the following vitamin is hemorrhagic? Okay, so the correct answer is vitamin K. Vitamin K is anti-hemorrhagic. So anti-hemorrhagic vitamin is a vitamin K. Okay, so it is essential factor in blood clotting as it synthesizes some proteins needed for coagulation, which means it helps wounds heal properly. It is also important for developing essential proteins for our body or bones or blood. Okay, so vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. Okay, so an anti-hemorrhagic agent is a substance that promotes homeostasis. Okay, so it may also be known as homeostatic agent. Anti-hemorrhagic agents used in medicines have various mechanism of action. Okay, next question. What is the general mechanism of an enzyme? Option 1, it acts by decreasing the activation energy. Option 2, it acts by increasing the activation energy. Option 3, it acts by decreasing the pH. And option 4, it acts by increasing the pH. So the correct answer to this is first, that is, it acts by decreasing the activation energy. Okay, so an enzyme attracts substrates to its active site, catalyzes the chemical reaction by which products are formed, and then allows the product to dissociate. Okay, so the combination formed by an enzyme and its substrate is further called enzyme substrate complex. Next question. Methyl and ethyl alcohol are detoxified in human body by option 1, oxidation, option 2, reduction, option 3, conjugation, and option 4, sulfurization. So the correct answer to this is oxidation. Okay, so oxidation is defined as the process in which an electron is removed from a molecule during a chemical process reaction. Consumption of raw egg white causes deficiency of question. Option number 1, folic acid, option number 2, biotin, option number 3, niacin, and option number 4, pyridoxine. So the correct answer to this is the consumption of raw egg white causes deficiency of biotin. Okay, so consuming raw eggs on a regular basis for an extended time causes biotin deficiency because avidin present in egg white tightly binds biotin, thus making biotin unavailable for intestinal absorption. Okay, so cooking eggs denatures avidin, thus impairing its ability to tightly bind to biotin. Which is not included in the five kingdom system of classification? Okay, so the options are viruses, viroids, and lichens. Option number 2, slime molds. Option number 3, bacteria. And option number 4, phycomycetes. So the correct answer to this is option number 1, that is viruses, viroids, and lichens. So in five kingdom classification by Whittaker, viruses, viroids, prions, and lichens is not mentioned because viruses did not find a place in classification since they do not have any cell structure and are not true living beings. Okay, these viruses contain DNA or RNA as a genetic material, but not both. Next, match list number 1 and list number 2 and choose correct answer. So, calcium, so the correct answer for calcium is, let us check by option number 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the correct answer for calcium is first, that blood coagulation. Okay, and second, sodium. So yeah, Sodium is also like maintenance of electrical equilibrium between intracellular fluids. Then iron, anemia. Yeah, these all are right. Okay. And next is iodine. That is it helps in formation of thyroid gland. So the correct answer is third. That is this. Okay. Next, what is not true about prokaryotes? Okay, so first, no nuclear membrane or nucleoli. Second, presence of mitochondria. Third, 70S ribosomes present. And fourth, usually single chromosome. Okay, so the correct answer to this is second, that prokaryotes do not contain any mitochondria. Prokaryotes, on the other hand, don't have mitochondria for energy production. So they must rely on their immediate environment to obtain usable energy. So prokaryotes generally use electron transport chains in their plasma membranes to provide much of their energy. Okay. Next, which one of the following is the scientific name of catfish? So, first Catla catla, second Liburohita, third Sirihina mrigala, and fourth Valago ettu. Okay, so the correct answer to this is fourth. Question number 22. Which one of the following blood clotting factor is known as Huysman factor? Okay. So factor 10, 12 or factor 8 or factor 2. So the correct answer to this is 2, that is factor 12. Okay. So it is caused by a deficiency of a factor 12, that is Huysman factor, a plasma protein, that is glycoprotein. Okay. So specifically factor 12 is a clotting factor. Clotting factor are specialized protein that are essential for proper clotting and the process by which blood clumps together to plug the site of a wound to stop bleeding. Question number 23. Match list 1 with list 2. Okay, so yeah, let us match. Okay, so first, loose connective tissue. Okay, so which of the following is loose connective tissue? Let us search, that is adipose tissue. Okay, so A is fourth. Next, B, that is dense regular tissue, that are tendons and ligaments. Next, embryonic connective tissue. So embryonic connective tissue is mesenchyme. Okay, so B 1 and C 2 and D, that is the left one, that is 3. D, bone, cartilage and bone. Okay, blood, sorry. So the correct answer to this is third, that is A4, B1, C2 and D3. Next question. If lipid is the respiratory substrate, respiratory quotient will be 1, less than 1, more than 1 or 0. So the correct answer to this is 2, that is less than 1. Okay, so the ratio of the volume of carbon dioxide evolved to that of oxygen consumed by an organism, tissue or cell in a given time is called RQ, that is respiratory quotient. Next. In addition to thyroxine and tridothyronin, thyroid gland secretes A. Thyroid stimulating hormone, B. Noradrenaline, C. Calcitonin, okay, and fourth, gonadotropic hormone. So the correct answer to this is 3, that is calcitonin. Okay. In tissue culture, callus is. Okay, so callus is defined as a group of cells derived from competent source tissue that is cultured under in vitro conditions to form an undifferentiated mass of cells. Okay, so the correct answer to this is fourth, that is an unorganized activity dividing mass of cell maintained in tissue culture. Okay, so next, what is true about Bt toxin? Okay. So, Bt toxins that target insect larvae when eaten in their gut, the toxins are activated. So, the activated toxins break down their gut and the insect die of infection and starvation. So, that can occur within a few hours or weeks. Okay. So, from these given options, okay, option number 2 is correct, that the inactive protoxins get converted into active form in the pest gut due to its alkaline pH. Next, the proteolytic enzyme in of the stomach is, okay, so option number 1, 2, 3, 4, pepsin, bile, lactose, amylase. So the correct answer is pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme made in stomach that breaks down protein in food during digestion. Stomach acid changes a protein called pepsinogen into pepsin. Next, an increase in concentration of the toxicant which are neither metabolized nor excreted and get deposited at successive trophic levels is called. So, okay. So the options are biomonitoring, biomineralization, biomagnification or bioremediation. Okay, so the correct answer to this is 3, that is biomagnification. Next, the use of microorganism to degrade environmental pollutants is called. Okay, so microremediation, nanoremediation, bioremediation or biocoinose. Okay, so the correct answer to this is bioremediation. Okay, so bioremediation is the use of microbes to clean up contaminated soil and groundwater. Microbes are very small organisms such as bacteria that live naturally in the environment. So bioremediation stimulates the growth of certain microbes that use contaminants as a source of food and energy. Okay, so correct answer is bioremediation. Next, which is what is the mean, median and mode of the following data? So here's the data, and the mean is the average of the data sheet. Data sheet is found by adding all numbers in the data set and then dividing by the number of values in a set. The median is the middle value when a data set is ordered from least of greatest. Okay, and the mode is the number that occurs most often in a data set. Okay, so the mean, median and mode are fourth, that is this. Next, lactoferrin gene has been used for commercial production of which of the following transgenic animal? Cow, mice, fish or chicken? So the correct answer to this is cow. Okay. Relationship between demand and price is, so the options are positive correlation, negative correlation, perfect correlation or no correlation. So the correct answer to this is second, that is negative correlation. The districts Jaipur, Ajmer, Tonk, Dausa comes under which agroclimatic zone of Rajasthan? Okay, so option 1, transitional plain of Luni Basin. Option 2, fifth, humid southeastern plain. Option 3, third A, semi-arid eastern plain. And option 4, third B, flood prone eastern plain. Okay, so the correct answer to this is third, that is semi-arid eastern plain. Next question. Agroforestry system involving agricultural and forest crops. So the options are agriculture, agri-silviculture system, second silvi-pastoral system, third hortipastoral system, and fourth agri-silvi-pastoral system. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is agri-silviculture system. Okay, so agri-silviculture is a production scheme that supplies wood, foodstuffs and or animal products from a single management units, where good agriculture practice are complemented by judicious use of tree. Such a unit could be a farm, a small community or a portion of a watershed. Okay. Next, Which of the following is a bunch type variety of groundnut? Okay, so the options are uh, AH334, RG382, RG425 or Girnar 2. So the correct answer to this is Girnar 2. Next question. The formula for standard deviation is option 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is option 2. Okay. Next, which variety of mango is susceptible to spongy tissue? First, Chausa, second, Fazli, and third, Alfonso, and fourth, Gulab Khas. Okay, so the correct answer to this is Alfonso. Okay, so spongy tissue is a physiological ripening disorder in Alfonso mango. So the spongy tissue develop as yellow-white corky patches with or without air pockets in the breakdown tissue. Spongy tissue is caused by various factors and hence it is difficult to attribute an exact and specific reason for its cause. Next, which of the following variety of onion produces white colored bulbs? Okay, so the options are Bhima Raj, Bhima Shubhra, Pusa Madhvi or Arka Kalyan. Okay, so the options are, so the correct answer to this is 2, that is Bhima Shubhra. Next, Ark Rakshak is important variety of brinjal, chili, tomato or okra. Okay, so the correct answer to this is third, that is tomato. Next, as per Basic Animal Husbandry Static DAHD and FGOI milk production in India in the year 2017 and 18 was dash million tons. So the options are 140 to 150, 130 to 139, 160 to 165 and 170 to 180. So the correct answer to this is 170 to 180 million tons. Okay. Next option, Pantragini is variety of cumin, fennel, fenugreek or coriander. Okay, so the Pantragini is a variety of fenugreek. Next, parasitic weed associated with mustard is Striga or bench, Cuscata or Loranthus. Okay, so the correct answer to this is second, that is Orobench. Next, Rajasthan ranks dash in per capita milk availability in India. Okay, so first, second, third and fourth. So the option is, so the correct answer is third. Next, in India, maximum amount of milk is utilized in ghee making, khoya making, liquid milking. Okay, sorry, liquid milk and powder making. Okay, so the correct answer to this is liquid milk. Next, gestation period of cow is dash days. 300 to 320, 280 to 285, 150 to 200 or 250 to 260. So the correct answer to this is second, that is 280 to 285. Next, rate of feeding colostrum to a newborn calf is option 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer to this is 1, that is 10% of the body weight. Next, normally dash is used for packaging of butter. So first, second, third and fourth. So the correct answer to this is parchment paper. Okay. So parchment paper or vegetable parchment is a cellulose based composite that has been processed to add additional properties like non-stick, grease resistance, resistance to a humid state. Okay, so it is commonly used as grease proof paper in baking as disposable non-stick. Okay, so grease resistant surface. Next question, causative agent of hemorrhagic septicemia is option number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct answer to this is option 1. Okay, so Pasteurella multocida. Okay, next, the husk is to seed ratio of isabgol is weight by weight is. Okay, so first of all, isabgol is the common name used for several members of the plant genus Plantago, whose seeds are used commercially for the production of mucilage. Okay, so Pycelium is mainly used as dietary fiber to relieve symptoms of both constipation and mild diarrhea, and occasionally as a food thickener. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is 25 ratio 75. Next, microbes that have beneficial effect on health of the consumer are called option 1 prebiotics, option 2 probiotics, option 3 symbiotics, and option 4 antibiotics. So the correct answer to this is option number 2, that is probiotics. Okay, so probiotics are made up of good bacteria that helps keep your body healthy and working well. This good bacteria helps you in many ways, including fighting off bad bacteria when you have too much of it. Okay, so helping you to feel better. Probiotics are a part of large picture concerning bacteria and your body. Next, question number 52. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India FSSAI Act in Parliament was established in dash and was implemented in dash year. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so FSSAI Act in Parliament was established in 2006 and is implemented in 2011. The correct answer is 3. Pneumonia in animals occurs due to faulty administration of drugs is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the correct answer to this is 4, drenching pneumonia. Next, which of the following is used as ethylene scrubber in storage of fruits? Okay, so option 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the correct answer to this is potassium permanganate, as potassium permanganate impregnated aluminium media is one of the favored chemical media for removal of ethylene. So the three main application areas are controlled atmosphere, fruits and vegetable ripening rooms, and storage. Next, fat content of whipping cream ranges from option 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the correct answer to this is first. Sorry, I have left a question. Sorry. Okay. So Indian Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 contains dash number of sections. Option 1 83, option 2 97, option 3 101, and option 4 113. So the correct answer to this is 101. Okay, these all are wrong. 101. Next, fat content in whipping cream ranges from 10 to 20%, 15 to 20%, 30 to 40%, and 40 to 50%. So the correct answer to this is 30 to 40%. Next, the most commonly used chemical preservative in food is sodium benzoate, sodium bromide, potassium permanganate, sodium phosphate. Correct answer is sodium benzoate. Okay, so sodium benzoate is best known as preservative used in processed foods and beverages to extend shelf life, though it has several other uses also. It is odorless crystalline powder made by combining benzoic acid and sodium hydroxide. Next, according to standard, a fruit squash should contain at least dash fruit juice or pulp. Okay, so the correct answer to this is fourth, that is 20 to 30% of fruit juice and fruit pulp. Next, as per annual survey of industries, the highest number of registered and unincorporated food processing units are in which state? Okay, so the options are Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. So the correct answer to this is Andhra Pradesh. Next, the type of can which is used for canning in acidic red fruits. Okay, R animal, C animals, S animal, or A animal. So the correct answer to this is R animal. Okay, so sanitary animal or R animal or fruit animal cans are of deep gold color with bright finish. They are used to prevent fading of color in red fruits and certain red vegetables to prevent corrosion with pumpkin or squash. Next, enzymatic browning in cut surfaces of fruits and vegetables is due to now option 1 oxidation of phenol, second Maillard reaction, third caramelization, and fourth putrefaction. So the correct answer to this is um, first, that is oxidation of phenols. Next, which state is largest producer of fresh vegetables in India in 2017 or 18? Okay, so the correct answer to this is West Bengal. West Bengal was the largest producer of fresh fruits and vegetables in India in the year 2017 and 18. Which of the following is a climacteric fruit grows between 60 to 26 degrees Celsius and in soil of pH 6 to 7? So the correct answer to this is third, that is avocado. It is a climacteric fruit. Next, remain of fortification have been recovered from which of the Chalcolithic site? Okay, so Arhar, Balathal, Ganeshwar, or Gilund. Okay, so the correct answer to this is Balathal. Okay, remains of fortification have been recovered. Next, question number 65. From which cultural stage oldest archaeological remains of ploughed field has been recovered? Pre-Harappan culture, Chalcolithic culture, or Neolithic culture? So the correct answer to this is first, that is pre-Harappan culture. Next, which ruler constructed the fort of Taragarh in Bundi? Options are Barisal, Varsing, Subhandh or Rao Narpal. So the correct answer to this is second, that is Varsing. Varsing was the ruler who constructed the fort of Taragarh in Bundi. Next, which place has been identified as Polyethalo mentioned by Yuan Chuang? Okay, so first Berat, second Beenmal, third Jalor, and fourth Pali. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is Berat. Okay, so this is the place that has been identified as Polyethalo. Okay. Next, EGMARK Act 1937 comes under option 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so it comes under Directorate of Marketing and Inspection. Okay, under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare of the Government of India for agricultural product. Next, in which district of Rajasthan Dadikar Rock Art Site is located? Okay, so the options are Alwar, Jaipur, Sikar, or Bundi. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is Alwar. In Alwar, the Dadikar Rock Art Site is located. Next, by whom the theory of foreign origin of Rajput was first propounded? Okay, so the options from the options 1 to 3, the correct answer is 1, that is Colonel Todd. Next, which person from Bharatpur inspired the farmers of Shekhawati to fight for their rights? Deshraj, Surajmal, Ramnarayan, or Harnath Singh? So the correct answer is first, that is Deshraj. Next, who was the writer of Jagat Singh Kavya? Ranchod Bhatta, Jagat Singh, P.T. Jivadhar, or Raghunath? So the correct answer is Mr. Raghunath was the writer of Jagat Singh Kavya. Next, what is the main purpose of the Eki movement? Okay, so from the options 1, 2, 3 and 4, the correct answer is the purpose of Eki movement was to free farmers from heavy revenue and unfair labor. Okay, so option 2 is correct. Which ruler of Rajasthan did not participate in Delhi Darbar held in 1903 and 1911? Okay, so the options are Khetri ruler Ajit Singh, Maharana Sajjan Singh from Mewar, Maharana Fateh Singh of Udaipur, Maharana Ganga Singh, Maharaja Ganga Singh. Okay, so the correct answer is Maharana Fateh Singh of Udaipur have not participated in Delhi Darbar held in 1903 and 1911. Next, when and who founded the Sarv Hitkarini Sabha in Churu? Okay, so the options are 1907 AD Swami Gopal Das, 1909 AD Magharam Vaidya, 1912 AD Pyarelal Sadhu, and 1913 AD Vishnu Dutt. Okay, so the correct answer is first, that is 1907 AD Swami Gopal Das. Next, who was the first ruler of Rajasthan to sign the accession letter in the Union of India? Okay, so the options are Raja Hanuvant Singh of Jodhpur, Udayban Singh of Dholpur, Sadul Singh first of Bikaner, and Maharaja Sumer Singh of Kishangarh. So the correct answer is third, that is Sadul Singh first of Bikaner was the first ruler of Rajasthan to sign the accession letter in the Union of India. Next, which of the following statement is correct about Govind Guru? Okay, so the options are Govind Guru was belonged to Banjara caste. Govind Guru was born in 1858 at Palpatta of Dungarpur. Govind Guru established Dhuni and Nishan in Bansia village. And last option is Govind Guru preached the Bhils to follow the path of religion and truth. So the incorrect statement is second, that is he was born in 1858 in Palpatta of Dungarpur. Question number 79. Ruknuddin, Shahaddin, Rashid and Qasim were related to which style of painting? Okay, so the answer is Bikaneri style. Next, where is the fort of 99 basins of tricusphere located? So the correct answer to this is Jaisalmer. Next, where was the first capital of Kachawa dynasty? Okay, so Dausa, Jamvaramgarh, Amber or Jaipur. Okay, so the Kachawa dynasty's first capital was first, that is Dausa. Next, at the time of independence, which was the largest princely state of Rajasthan in terms of area? Mewar, Marwar, Amber or Tonk? Okay, so the correct answer is Marwar. Next, in which year Swami Dayanand established a social institution Paropkarini Sabha at Udaipur? Okay, so the correct answer to this is third, that is 1883 AD. Next, which folk deity's wife did not commit sati? Harbuji, Gogaji, Tejaji or Pabuji? Okay, so the correct answer is Harbuji. The folk deity's wife did not commit sati. Kumbh temple of Chittorgarh is devoted to which deity? Sun, Shiva, Vishnu or Bhairavnath? Okay, so the correct answer to this is Vishnu. Next, in Mewari language, who composed the Yoga Sutras, Bhagavad Gita, and Sankhya Karika text. Okay, so the options are Chatur Singh, Prithviraj Rathod, Dursa Adha or Shivadas. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, okay, Chatur Singh. Next, from where are the antiquities of the Maurya period Buddhist stupa derived? Okay, so the options are Dausa, Bhangad, Barrett or Sambar. So the correct answer is Barrett, that from Barrett the antiquities of Maurya period Buddhist stupa derived. Next, where are the principal seat of the Nimbark sect located? Okay, so the options are Sihar, Galta, Mozamabad or Salemabad. So the answer is fourth, that is Salemabad. Next, Dholidub village is related to which section? Okay, so options are Jasanathi, Daryapanthi, Dadupanthi or Laldasi. So the correct answer is fourth, that is Laldasi. Next, where is Damna jewelry worn? Okay, so options are ear, nose, finger or waist. So the correct answer is finger. It is being worn in finger. Sorry, what is this? Yes, next. Question number 91. Who was the promoter of the Jaipur House of Khayal? Okay, so Naziruddin Khan, Dullu Khan, Manrang or Harrang. Okay, so the correct answer is third, Manrang. When is the song Jala sung by women? Okay, so at the time of well worship, on the occasion of Jhaljulni Ekadashi, on going to see the bride's wedding procession, on the occasion of Tej worship. So the correct answer is on going to see the bride's wedding procession. Okay, match correctly and answer by using the codes given below. Okay, so option 1, 2, 3, 4 and the literatures are also given. So the correct answer to this is 2. Okay, next. Which period of art represent Kameshwar temple of Ahuva? Gupta period, Gujar Pratihara period, Chauhan period or Paramar period? Correct answer is Gujar Pratihara period. Next, which among the following is the highest peak? Rosa Bhakar, Ishrana Bakar, Jharola Pahad or Taragad? Okay, so the correct answer to this is Taragad. Which part of Aravali in Rajasthan receive highest amount of rainfall? Northeastern, central, southern or Shekhawati hills? So the correct answer to this is southern part of Aravali. Which among the following agroclimatic region of Rajasthan receives maximum rainfall? So the correct answer to this is fourth, that is 4B and 5th. As per India State of Forest Report 2017, which among the following districts witnessed maximum negative change in forest cover from 2015 to 2017? Okay, so the correct answer to this is second. Okay, Pratapgarh. Okay, and of this, which among the following agroclimatic region of Rajasthan receives maximum rainfall? Correct answer is fourth. Okay, fourth, B and fifth. Next, while traveling from Jhalawar to Bikaner in a straight line, which of the following sequences of physical features will you observe? Bharat Plateau, Hadoti Plateau, Central Aravali. Central Mahi Plain, Banas Basin, Bangar. Okay. Vidyan Scrapland, Banas Basin, Bharat Plateau, Hadoti Plateau, Banas Basin and Central Aravali. Okay. So the correct answer to this is fourth. Okay. Next, which among the following group of district of Rajasthan recorded lowest female literacy as per 2011 census? Okay, so the options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct answer is Jalore, Sirohi and Jaisalmer were the lowest among female literacy. Next. Which of the following criteria has the maximum weightage while selecting new watershed in Rajasthan? Option number 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is area having acute shortage of drinking water. That is option number 1. Next. For artificial hatching of Great Indian Bustard, Forest Department of Rajasthan has recently collaborated with option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is option number 1, that is Wildlife Institute of India at Dehradun. Next, as per the soil classification of Agriculture Department Rajasthan, Ravrina soil is being found in Ganganagar, Bikaner, Udaipur or Jalore. Okay, so the correct answer is Ganganagar. Latest Rajasthan state forest policy came into effect in 1988, 2018, 2010 or 2008. So the correct answer to this is 4th, that is 2010. Next, river Banas originates from option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer to this is 4th, that is Khamnor Hills near Kumbhalgand. Okay. Next, match list 1 and list 2 from the following codes. So the correct answer of this is first. Okay. Next, also match list 1 and list 2 to the lakes, to the districts. Okay. So Umed Sagar is in Bhilwara. Then Nakki Lake is in Nakki Lake is in Sirohi. Okay. Pichola Lake is in Udaipur. And Talab Shahi Lake is in Dholpur. So the correct answer to this is 2. Next, which of the following is not related with cotton textile industry of Rajasthan? Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer to this is 3. Birla Corporation, that is in Chittor. Next, Mewar sugar mill is situated at Bhupal Sagar, Sri Ganganagar, Udaipur or Kishori Patan. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is Bhupal Sagar. Next, match list 1 with match list 2 and select the answer from the codes given below. Okay, so places and industry. So, yeah. So, Biawar is okay, so in Biawar there is textile industry. Then in Bharatpur there is mustard oil, and Ganganagar there is sugar, and in Keshwana Guza there is paper. Okay, so the correct answer is 2. Which of the following committee is not related with poverty? Rangrazan Committee, Lakhadwala Committee, Tendulkar Committee or R.K. Swaminathan Committee. So the correct answer is 4th. Okay, next. One of the mega solar power projects of Rajasthan approved by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is situated as Bhitri, okay, Devgarh, Balotra or Fatehgarh. Okay, so the correct answer is Fatehgarh. Next, which of the with the support of Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Government of India, Green Tech Mega Food Park established its unit in? Okay, so the options are Rupangarh, Ajmer, Jotwada, Jaipur, Tonk or Ganganagar. So the correct answer is first, that is Rupangarh at Ajmer. Next, Nathra Ki Pal and Moriza Banol belt have mines of coal, copper, iron ore or manganese. Okay, so the correct answer is third, that is iron ore. Next, second nuclear power plant of Rajasthan is proposed at Jodhpur, Bikaner, Banswara or Alwar. So the correct answer to this is third, that is Banswara. And the Nathra Ki Pal and Moriza Banul belt have mines of iron ore. Okay. Next, Rajasthan police officer who has honored by United Nations Medal for Peacekeeping in South Southern is Kamal Shekhawat, Komal Rathod, Amandeep Rawat, Ravindra Kaur. Okay, so the correct answer is first, that is Kamal Shekhawat. Next, which of the following statement is not true about Rajasthan Urja Vikas Nigam Limited? Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is the false statement is it is a holding company of distribution corporations, transmission corporation and production corporation. Next, Bayatu, Kansal, Kapurdi areas are famous for the production of. Option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is oil and gas, that is option number 3. Next, Payal Jangir of Rajasthan received the Changemaker Award from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in America. She belongs to option number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is 3, that is Hinsala district of Alwar. Next, FSSAI is the regulating body for food safety in India. In the October 2019, on the occasion of World Food Day, FSSAI started many initiatives. Which of the following was not among them? So the correct answer is 4. To increase shelf life of processed food, an agreement was executed with an American firm. It was a false statement. Next, from the following pairs, choose the pair of which both the person also received Nobel Prize in Economics with Esther Duflo. Okay, so the correct answer to this is Michelle Karemer and Abhijit Banerjee. That is option number 3. Next, in Rajasthan, various grades of copper is available out of the following places of Rajasthan. Which place has the highest copper deposits of all grades? Okay, so Anzani, Madan Kudan, Bedawal Ki Pal or Hanotia Ajmer. Okay, so the correct answer is Madan Kudan, that is in Jhunjhunu. Next, Mount Abu area is mainly formed by granite, basalt, obsidian or bituminous rock. Okay, so the correct answer is granite. Next, former Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court recently appointed as Supreme Court Judge is Mohammad Rafiq, Sripati R. Bhatt, Govind Mathur or Vineet Kothari. So the correct answer is Sripati R. Bhatt. Match the following. Okay, so the correct answer to this is 2nd. Next, at Yokohama, Japan, FAO has its headquarters, regional office, sub-regional office or liaison office. Okay, so the correct answer is 4th. Next, question number 127. Read the following statements about Abi Ahmed Ali and choose the correct answer code. Option number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so the correct answer is 2. Only B statement is correct, that he has awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2019. Option number 1, question number 128. The place where the Indian Prime Minister and American Prime Minister met in September 2019 is, so India, France, Germany or America, that is America. Next, 21st October 2019 was Legislative Assembly election date for the states. Okay, so Sikkim only, Haryana only, Maharashtra and Punjab, Haryana and Maharashtra. So the correct answer to this is 4, that is Haryana and Maharashtra. NCERT has started a national level program for the holistic advancement of schools head and teachers. The abbreviated name of this program is Pratishta, Pariksha, Nishtha or Ishtha. The correct answer is 3rd, that is Nishtha. Next, during the visit of Indian Prime Minister on 17th and 18th August 2019, to which country the RuPay card was launched in that country? Okay, so Malaysia, Bhutan, Sri Lanka or Nepal. So the correct answer to this is Bhutan. Next, an aircraft of Indian Air Force crashed in Gwalior on 25th September 2019. The aircraft was Mirage 2000, Sukhoi Su-30, MiG-21, MiG-29. Okay, so the correct answer to this is 3rd, that is MiG-21. Next, identify the city where the largest business incubator of India, Bhamasha Techno Hub, has been established by the government of Rajasthan. Jodhpur, Jhalawar, Ajmer, Jaipur. Okay, so the correct answer to this is 4, that is Jaipur. Next, which of the following forces launched Operation Sudarshan in 2019 July? Okay, so options 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is option 4, that is Border Security Force. Next, who among the following sports person of Rajasthan is not related to shooting? Option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer to this is third, that is Yasha Singh. Next, Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Act, which was passed by Parliament in December 1985, came into effect from option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is 13th February 1986. Next, BIS hallmark is used as an Indian standard for option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is for gold and silver products. Okay. Next, present Director General of Prisons in Rajasthan is option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is NRK Reddy, that is option 4. Chandrayaan 2 was launched on. Okay, so Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 22nd July 2019 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, option 1. Next, pH of milk is. Okay, so the pH of milk at 25 degrees Celsius normally varies within a relatively narrow range of 6.5 to 6.8. So option 2 is correct. Then pKa value of acetic acid is 4.76, 5.65, 3.76, 3.67. The correct answer to this is 141, that is first, okay, 4.76. So the pKa value of acetic acid is determined by plotting pH titration curve. Hydrogen ion concentration, perform a pH titration of a weak acid with strong base. Practice the precautions while performing the pH titration experiment. Okay, so the pKa is the pH value at which chemical species will accept or donate a proton. The lower the pKa, the stronger the acid, and the greater the ability to donate a proton in aqueous solution. Okay, so the correct answer to this is first, that is 4.76. Next, value of Kw at 298 Kelvin is. Okay, so option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is option 1, that is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 meters square. Mole, okay, and square. Next, unit of rate constant for second order reaction is. So option 1, 2, 3, and 4. The correct answer is option 3, that is mole inverse L second inverse. Next, the molecular geometry of ClF3 is linear, tetrahedral, T-shaped, and bent. Okay, so the correct answer is T-shaped. Next, so the main product is option number 1, RCH2OH. Next, the above reaction is. Okay, so the correct answer is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Next, chemical formula of gamma hexane is option number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the correct answer is 4, that is C6H6Cl6. Next, the main product of this reaction is anhydride. Correct answer is anhydride. Next, Tilden reagent is option 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is nitrosyl chloride. Okay. Next, chemical structure of pinacol is. So option 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the correct answer to this is option number 2. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And you can have this paper from our website, that is www.foodtechnetwork.in. You can get the paper and the answer sheet from there. Thank you.